Hello guys, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix a clutch master cylinder box that won't go into gear. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is pull out the clip. You have a little round clip in there. Get a pointed screwdriver and pull out the clip. Yeah. And then you take out the seal. Get the new one and install it. Make sure the new one is the same width, same height, and so forth. So make sure you get the spring on the new one. Push on the spring and make sure it intact well. So the rod come with an extra clip in the new set and an extra washer. You can change it if you like, but you have to pull out the top of it and slide on those. But I'm gonna use back this one. Just straighten it back up a bit and use it back. So get some brake fluid and lubricate in the box. Make sure you get in there. And the seal, then put a little bit on the seal so that when you're pushing it, it can slide in properly. So when you put in the seal in the box, be careful. Sometimes it can clinch the seal when you're putting in it. So you just take time and work it in. Work it in and make sure it lubricates properly. Yeah, so you push it down now. And you put in the rod and hold it and get a screwdriver and catch the circular clip. It can give you a little hard time sometime, but don't make it get to you. You can just rough it up and get it in properly. Make sure the seal sit. Make sure the circular clip sit down properly, because if it don't sit down properly, it can jump out when you're pressing the clutch. It can jump out under there, so make sure you get it in properly. Yes, so the box is finished fitting up now. So you're gonna throw the brake fluid inside and bleed it out. So you bleed it before you put it on the car. So that's when you put it on the car, it's easier bleed out. So you're gonna push it down, hold the hole, drop and let go. Press again, hold and let go. Press again, hold and let go. Yeah, that's how you bleed out a brake and a clutch. So full of clutch now. So you do that until it starts shoot out at the side. So time to install in the box now. So you have two 12-volt under here, under the pedal to catch. Make sure you catch these two 12-volt and tighten them properly and run them down. So this is the rod now. The rod carry a pin that connect it to the pedal. So you put in, you slide it in the hole, make sure it's going properly. Yeah, and when you put in like that, now you have a pin around here, so to put in like a split pin. Make sure you find the hole around here, so, and put in the split pin. Split pin it is in it for safety, so that it can't drop out. If you don't put the split pin in it, when you're pressing the clutch, it will drop out. Make sure the box seal on good. So you have a 10 line on here. I'll go to the cylinder. This is how you fit up the slave cylinder. Make sure when you get in the seal, you lubricate it good. And take your time. You can use a small pointed screwdriver or so to get in the seal the right way. If you don't do that, it will clinch. So when you finish that, now you screw on the cylinder, put in the rod and bleed it out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share for more.